Unboxing the HyperX Stinger 2 wireless. If you want to check out this exact same headset, there's Amazon links below, but let's get this unboxed. One sticker back here. And then we open it up, revealing some paperwork there. And then the headset itself, I just popped that open and there it is. Again, I don't love that popping out. And this is essentially the wireless version of the Stinger 2s. Now, when compared to the Stinger 2 Core, this is definitely a little bit heavier. But honestly, for a wireless headset, it's definitely not like super, super heavy. It also has got way more like design elements. This looks really, really cool. And it feels a lot more dense. It feels a lot more high quality. These parts right here feel exactly the same, but I actually didn't mind those on the Core. So this I think is all the same, but inside of here we have a pleather or a leather, I'm not sure, but it's not fabric. These ear pads, again, still feel stiff like they did on the 2 Core, but at least they're leather here, and to the touch it is nice and soft. A big difference though between this and the 2 Core is that these feel a lot more high quality. It looks like the mic is the same, but we don't get a click when going up or down. So it looks like maybe we have a mic mute button somewhere. Ooh, I like that red accent there. This is a very nice volume wheel. It has tactility and it's got a little bit more resistance than I was expecting, which is a very good thing. And then it looks like we just have the power button. We also have some indentations there where it shows what adjustment you're at, which is really nice. The Core didn't have that. And that is actually a nice touch. It makes this look quite a bit more expensive when compared to the Core. These feel way more expensive. They really do. And honestly, I'm really happy the way these feel. There's no like creaking or anything really. The adjustments feel really, really solid, and they are completely different from the Core. So overall, yeah, this is a good feeling headset, and I, again, love that texturized like indentations and cuts they have on this. Looks really nice. Also in the box, we've got the USB dongle with a little orange accent or red accent there, a little filter for the mic, and then a USB Type-C to USB Type-A, although the cable is pretty dang short. Look how short this cable is. But with that, let's get to the 4 of you. I'm excited for these. The HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 wireless. Coming in at a price tag of $69.99, this is a great price for a really good wireless headset. Build quality as far as design is very similar to the wired version. However, the plastics used here feel much more premium and the connections feel much more solid. And instead of the fabric earmuffs and padding, you get leather here. Overall, this is nothing special, but it feels fine. It's durable and is gonna last, but it's also not special. So it's kind of just like a good build quality, which honestly is like all of HyperX's build quality most of the time. Sound quality on the Stinger 2s is tuned great for gaming. It has great bass response and full mids. The trebles are a tad overboosted, but for the most part, this is very well balanced. Explosions sound more realistic, footsteps are easy to pinpoint, and overall you get a much fuller sound. Now for connectivity, obviously this is where this shines. This is wireless with a 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle, and with that wireless connectivity you can get around 20 hours of battery life, and while that might not sound amazing, this is actually still pretty dang good for the price point and everything else this gives you. Now comfort here is great. You have a nice seal around the ears, plush padding, and since this is made entirely of plastic, long gaming sessions are no problem here due to that weight. Overall, no complaints. Now for mic quality, it's definitely not the best, but I don't think anyone will have problems understanding you if you're mainly using this for Discord. But don't take my word for it, take a listen to the mic test.
This is the mic test of the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 wireless. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3.
Again, if you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. And if you want to check out my main channel with longer form content, you can check that out right here. But this is a consumer tech review high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.